In this video, I will show you how to generate a buildup profile from the material buildup of a previous layer using the buildup panel in TaniqWind Pro. During this video, I will explain the buildup panel and demonstrate how you can generate a buildup profile which matches your actual material buildup. For this demonstration, I will be using the first helical layer of a pressure vessel which has a winding angle of 18.85 degrees on top of the cylinder. I will start by creating a second layer in the product and opening the buildup panel. The panel contains 5 sections: the layer selection, use material properties, buildup parameters, connection parameters, and smooth parameters. We create the buildup by pressing the Create Buildup button. If we zoom in, we can see a large buildup section at the end of the helical winding path. With the default buildup parameter settings, the software will create an accurate buildup profile, matching the real material buildup as close as possible. If the profile doesn't fully match your actual buildup, or if you want to smooth the buildup profile for production purposes, the panel offers several options to edit and manipulate the created buildup profile. Once the desired parameters are found, they are usually applicable for all the layers in the project. By changing the void factor in the buildup parameter section, we can increase the buildup thickness to account for the presence of voids within the winding structure. By setting this to 0.3, we can see a substantially thicker buildup. By using polynomial smoothing, we force the software to always apply a polynomial approximation on the estimated buildup thickness data. Another way to apply smoothing is by defining smooth sections on the profile. This can simply be done by clicking on the dots on the profile and adding this section. If we now apply the smooth, we can see that the sharp corners are rounded off. By increasing the smooth span, we can round these corners off even further. If we want to connect the points on the profile with a straight line, we can use the connection parameter. In here, we can select 2 points we would like to connect. With the straight line set, we can also apply a smooth to the profile section, smoothing out the corners. Once the buildup profile matches the actual material buildup close enough, we can select the profile to the layer by pressing the OK button. In the last part of the video, I want to demonstrate the differences in buildup for winding with multiple toes. In this first layer, we have the same pattern as in the previous example, which was wound with a winding bundle of 1 toe. Plotted as the place tape, it looks like this. The pattern results in the same unsmoothed buildup as we saw in the previous example. If we move to the layer where we used a winding bundle of 4 toes, we can see that the resulting tapes would be placed as if it's a wider tape. The resulting unsmoothed buildup therefore also has a much thinner buildup around the polar opening. This is the end of the buildup profile demonstration video. If you're interested in other highlighted feature videos, these can be found at the Taniq YouTube channel.